Are you ready to take your Aviator gaming experience to the next level? In this video, we are diving into how to change your bank account in the Aviator game for 2025. Whether you are looking to switch accounts for better management or just want a fresh start, I have got you covered with easy to follow steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your account. First things first, open the Aviator game and log into your account. Make sure you have your current bank details handy as you will need them for verification. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, head over to your account settings. This is usually found in the main menu or under your profile icon. Look for an option labeled bank account or payment methods. Step 3. Select change bank account. In the bank account section, you should see an option to change your bank account. Click on that and you will be prompted to enter your new bank details. Step 4. Enter new bank details. Carefully input your new bank information or new bank account information. Double check that everything is correct, including your account number and routing number. This step is crucial to ensure smooth transactions. Step 5. Verify your changes. After entering your new details, you may need to verify the changes. This could involve receiving a confirmation code via email or SMS. Follow the prompts to complete this verification process. Step 6. Save changes. Don't forget to save your changes. Look for a save or confirm button at the bottom of the page. Once saved, your new bank account will be linked to your Aviator game profile. Conclusion, and there you have it. Changing your bank account in the Aviator game is a straightforward process that can enhance your gaming experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop comment below if you have any questions or need any further assistance. Happy gaming and see you next time.